Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly options, but they often have volume limitations that frustrate users. Understanding why these issues occur and how to perform initial checks is essential for getting the best audio experience. The root cause of volume issues lies in hardware constraints. Sceptre monitors use very small speakers, typically outputting only 2 to 3 watts, due to space limitations in their thin design. These limitations include the small speaker size required for thin bezels, restricted power supply allocation that prioritizes display functions, and acoustic constraints that affect sound quality and volume output. The first step is to check your monitor's physical controls. Look for the OSD or menu buttons, typically located on the back or side of your Sceptre monitor. Access the on-screen display menu, navigate to the audio settings, and maximize the volume. Also enable any available audio enhancement features your monitor may offer. Next, configure your Windows audio settings. Start by right-clicking the speaker icon in your system tray and selecting Open Sound Settings. In the sound settings, ensure your Sceptre monitor is selected as the output device and adjust the volume slider to its maximum setting. Here's your initial check summary. Ensure the monitor's OSD volume is at maximum, audio enhancements are enabled, your Sceptre monitor is set as the Windows output device, and the Windows volume slider is at 100%. If these initial checks don't resolve your volume issues, you'll need to proceed to more advanced software adjustments and troubleshooting methods. When basic volume adjustments aren't enough, Windows offers advanced audio configuration options that can significantly boost your Sceptre monitor's audio output. The Enhancements tab contains powerful audio processing options. Enable loudness equalization to automatically balance audio levels, and bass boost to enhance low frequencies. These settings can increase perceived volume by 35 to 50%. Audio format settings are crucial for optimal performance. Navigate to the Advanced tab and ensure your audio format is set to 16-bit 44.1 kHz or higher. Also disable exclusive mode to prevent applications from taking control of your audio device. Driver updates are essential for optimal audio performance. Update both your Sceptre monitor drivers and graphics card drivers, as graphics drivers often handle audio routing through HDMI and DisplayPort connections. Connection verification is crucial for audio troubleshooting. HDMI and DisplayPort cables carry both video and audio signals through specific pins. Ensure your cable supports audio transmission and that the monitor is set as your default audio device. Finally, ensure your Sceptre monitor is set as the default audio device. Right-click the speaker icon, select Sound Settings, and choose your monitor from the Output Device list. This ensures all audio is properly routed to your monitor's speakers.